Hello, my name is Don Chater. I'm an SEO guy. I rank websites to the top of Google and ultimately get you a whole lot of customers. I see a lot of opportunity for your website. I live local to you, so I just want to work with local business owners. And I found your website here on Yellow Pages. And let's see. So I pulled up your website, and very beautiful website on the outside. Got a map here. It's very professional. I see that it's powered by Hebrew, but I don't know. I think I can do a whole lot better than what they're doing. So here's a few tools. So I put your website into this tool. Here's the keywords that you're ranking for. So I mean, so people seem to know. Well, here's the traffic that you're getting, zero. So, but here's what you could be getting. So if I do keyword explorer, let's see if it's gonna work with me here. Keyword explorer. There we go. And then I type in Kenosha plumbing. There's 300 people searching this. So that this is a keyword. People in Kenosha, money in hand, and they're searching for you. and but you're nowhere to be found here. So um, I can get you to the top of this website. So it looks like like Yelp is up here. They're pretty easy to beat usually. So this is like keyword difficulty zero. I would I could take your website and well, here's some free tips anyway. So I threw your website into this tool, and so three things. So your title tag. It says Berts sewer, and then it says Kenosha, Wisconsin over here. I would actually put Kenosha plumbing right here, and then put a pipe, and then maybe like a second word that people are looking for. I can research that, and then put your Berts sewer. Same thing down here in meta description. I wouldn't put your phone number first because no one's searching for your phone number. Again, I would put Kenosha plumbing, and then type all this good stuff right here. And then again, so the header tags, the H1 tag, quality plumbing solutions. Yeah, I believe that, but nobody's, the psychology of what people are Googling nowadays and what Google wants to give people. All these things should say Kenosha Plumbing. Then you'll be crystal clear to Google, and Google will rank you to the top and wants to give the best solution to the people looking for you. So I think you're leaving money on the table, but those are some few tips and tricks that you could just, if you could go in or tell that Hebrew place to change for you, or you could hire me. I do like money back guarantees and no loss. Just try me if you wanna. Otherwise, those are some free tips and tricks that will just instantly give you some results. If you're interested in hiring me, feel free to just hit me back, and I'm gonna send this video to you now. Have a good day.